Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right canvas size and format because clarity matters at small sizes. Open a new 800 x 800 or 1080 x 1080 PNG with transparency. This preserves crisp edges. Import 1 to 3 visual elements, your face, logo, or an emblem, and place them centrally. Once done, simplify. Remove busy backgrounds and scale elements to fill roughly 70% of the frame. Make sure high contrast colors and a single focal point to remain readable when scaled down. Now refine hierarchy so viewers instantly recognize your icon. You should prioritize a single focal object and enlarge it to about 70% of the canvas because smaller details vanish on mobile. Once scaled, adjust contrast and color saturation to separate subject from background. This improves thumbnail legibility. Also add a simple border or subtle shadow to lift the element. Then export a test file and preview it at 48 x 48 and 110 x 110. Make iterative tweaks until it reads clearly at both sizes. Finish by exporting a high-quality PNG at 300 dpi and keep a layered source file for future edits because you'll want quick updates. Upload the icon to YouTube and check it across devices. If edges look blurred, re-export at the same size but increase contrast or simplify shapes. Thick strokes read better than thin ones. If colors shift, use sRGB profile. One troubleshooting tip: when the image looks cropped, add 5-8% safe margin so nothing critical sits on the edge.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.